Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Custom Party Favors. I'm Latoya, and today we have a fun and creative DIY project for you, custom popcorn bag wrappers.
Whether it's for family movie nights, birthdays, baby showers, weddings, or any occasion, these custom favors are a hit. And today, we're making special Valentine's Day favors for the kiddos. So let's dive into the tutorial. Here's what you'll need. Microwave popcorn bags, a printer, glossy photo paper or your choice of copy paper, scissors or a paper trimmer, double-sided tape or hot glue. You're also going to need a free or pro Canva account.
First, you want to head on over to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, no worries. You can easily create a free account. And you can also try Canva Pro free for 30 days using our referral link in the description box down below.
After logging in, select Custom Size. Set the page size to 8.5 by 11 inches and click Create New Design. Next, go to Elements and select the square shape from the Lines and Shapes section. Add it to your page and use the measurements given in the video to create the label. Click on the Text tab. Canva provides several pre-designed text elements for you to use. Click on the text element that you like, or you can click on Add a heading, add a subheading, or add a little bit of body text. Once you've added a text element to your label, click on the text to edit. You can change the font style by clicking on the Font tab. Scroll through the list of available fonts and click on the one you want to use. You can also adjust the font size, color, and other formatting options. You can add effects like an outline to the text. There are plenty of other options available for you to explore, so feel free to experiment with them. Next, let's add some images. On the Editor side panel, click the Uploads tab. Next, click on the Upload Files button, then select the files that you want to upload. You can also drag them from your computer folder to the Uploads tab. Once your files are uploaded, you can easily access them by clicking on them from the side panel. You can also search Canva's library for images and clip art to add to your design. For those of you who want to skip the hassle of creating the labels from scratch and start designing right away, we've got you covered with our pre-designed, ready-to-edit Canva template. It includes both the popcorn bag wrapper template and the full bag cover template. We also provide you with an editable text, nutrition facts label. You can find it on our website at hangingwiththekiddos.com, and the links will be below. And for business owners looking to showcase their designs, we also offer a popcorn bag mockup. This user-friendly product mockup allows you to effortlessly display your designs for customers, websites, and advertisements without the need for printing, assembling, photographing, or spending hours editing your products. As a special treat for our YouTube family, we're offering an exclusive discount code. Use this code at checkout to get an extra 20% off your purchase. This code is valid for a limited time, so make sure to grab your templates and start your creative journey today.
Next, using the ready-to-edit template, we will create a custom design. We will also be showing you how to print and assemble. Stay tuned.
For the best print quality, choose the PDF print file format.
So we're going to be printing our labels out on glossy photo paper. So before printing, we need to make sure we go into our printer settings and select the correct paper type. So we're going to set our paper type to photo glossy paper, and we're going to set our print quality to best. Alright guys, we hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY ideas. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video. Lastly, we love to see your creations. You can follow us and tag us on social media at Hanging with the Kiddos.
Don't forget to check out the links in the description box for the exclusive discount code and to explore our pre-designed templates and mock-ups to help elevate your creative projects with ease. As a Patreon member, you can download any of our templates and mock-ups for free as a thank you for your support. Check out our Patreon page for more details.
Thanks so much for watching. Stay creative and see you next time. Bye.